Hi, boys and girls. Welcome. It's Friday, and today we are doing lesson 8 for math. So remember, we're going to start with a problem of the day first. So make sure you have your green book out to page 41. I'm going to give you some time so that you can open it or press pause if you need more time. But make sure that you're on page 41. Okay, well, let's start. Ready? Pencils in your hand. We're going to read and we're going to underline first. Ready? Lee found 15 sparkly rocks. How many sparkly rocks? Get ready. Yes, 15. Kim found 8 sparkly rocks. How many did Kim find? Get ready. Yes, 8. Let's underline the question now. How many more sparkly rocks did Lee find than Kim? Keyword right here. Very important keyword because it says how many more. So when we hear that, that means we are going to get ready, compare, because that's what we've been doing for most of our problems of the day. We're comparing, right? So if we compare, are we going to add or subtract? Get ready. Yes, subtract, which is minus. Okay, so let's start. So let's draw it out. Lee found 15 sparkly rocks. Okay, well, let's do an L for, well, who's the story about? Lee and, get ready, Kim. So we're going to do an L for Lee and a K for Kim. Remember, we draw two equal size tapes. So I draw, you draw. Awesome. And now we're going to input the rest of the information. It says Lee found 15 and Kim found 8. How many more does did Lee find than Kim? Remember, we have to ask ourselves, who has more? Whoever has more gets the extra tape. So who has more, boys and girls? Lee or Kim? Get ready. Lee. So Lee is going to get the extra tape. That means she has her two parts. So Lee found 15 sparkly rocks. So that means that 15 is in my part or a total. Get ready. Yes, it's a part. Sorry, it's a total. You were right. Miss Gomez was wrong. So it's trying to trick you. So 15, we're going to place it as our total. Go ahead and write it. And Kim found 8 sparkly rocks. So is Kim's a part or a total? Get ready. It's a total, right? But since we drew two equal tapes, this is what Kim has, 8 rocks. So that means if Kim has 8 rocks here, and this tape is the same size as Kim's, that means that this is what number goes in here, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 8, because they're equal size tapes, okay? So we said we were going to subtract when we compare. And when we subtract, we always start with the big number, which is our total. So say a subtraction number sentence out loud first. Get ready. Yes, very good. Now let's write it down. I write, you write. 15 minus 8 equals 7. And let's box our answer. Now let's write our statement, okay? I'm going to go ahead and write it over here. Let me see. There we go. So I'm going to write it over here, and we're going to have to answer a question. How many more sparkly rocks did Lee find than Kim? Say your statement out loud first. Get ready. Very good. So now let's write. I write, you write. Lee has 7 more sparkly rocks. Period. Okay? Make sure that you have this statement. And we can't forget to put it as our missing part in our tape diagram. Okay, if you need more time, go ahead and press pause and finish the problem. If not, let's get ready to start. Ready? Okay, so, well, boys and girls, we've been talking about place value, tens and ones, which number is greater, which number is less. And last time I was thinking that there's many ways to say a number, right? And you're like, well, Miss Gomez, what are you talking about? For example, 63. How else do you think we can say 63? Get ready. Okay, well, if you said the say 10 way, you're correct. Or we can also say 63 as 6 tens and 3 ones. So remember this for our lesson today, boys and girls, that we can say a number the regular way, which is, let me get my pointer so you all can see. Ah, and I cannot see my pointer. There we go. It was hiding. Okay, so we can say a number the regular way, and we can say a number the say 10 way. And the say 10 way just means, boys and girls, that you could write it out in tens and ones. So for our learning goal today, it says I can count and write numbers up to 120, because remember, we're almost second graders. So I can count and write numbers up to 120 in tens and ones, just like I gave you an example. So let's start. Ready? So we are going to count by tens the say 10 way. Are you ready to count with me? Watch my pointer. Remember, you're sitting tall. All you need right now is your attention on the video. So you don't need anything. You don't need to write down anything for now. Okay, ready? So let's count. Ready? 110, 210, 310, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. Very good. So 10 tens is the same, well, let's check, boys and girls. Do we have any ones first? Get ready. No, right? There are no ones. So it would be 0. So 10 tens is the same as what number, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 100. Because remember last time we said 10 tens, 0 ones is the same as the number 100. Just like that. Ready? We're going to continue. That was our first practice. Let me go ahead and erase this. Doesn't want to erase my one. Oh, there we go. And let's continue. Now, oh, look at what I just added down here, boys and girls. So, do I still have 10 tens? Get ready. Yes, I do. But I also have, get ready, 1, right? So how did that change our place value chart? Say it out loud, get ready. Yeah, right? Because at first I had 0 ones and now I have 1. So 10 tens and 1, it's the same as, get ready. Yes, boys and girls, 101. Just like that. This is in regular and this is in the place value chart, okay? So now we're going to continue to count. Let me erase this. We're going to continue to count and add ones. Ready? So I just added another 1. And now we have 10 tens. And how many ones, boys and girls? Get ready. 2 ones. Very good. So now I have 10 tens and 2 ones. And it's right here. Look, 10 tens, 2 ones. So 10 tens and 2 ones is the same as what number? Get ready. Yes, 102. Very good. Now we're going to continue. Need to keep erasing. And 101, 100. We started with 100, and now we're going to go 101, 102. Next would be, get ready. Yes, 103. And 103, boys and girls, is 10 tens and how many ones? Look at the ones down here. Get ready. Yes, 3 ones. Just like that. Are you following along? Okay, I hope you are. Should be easy since yesterday we learned how to count to 120, right? Okay, now we're going to continue. Now we're going to count together. We're going to start at 98 and stop at 109. Are you ready? So 98 would be right here. Look at my pointer. We're going to count, right? And then I'm going to add beads all the way to 108. You were to 109, sorry. Ready? 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. Very good, boys and girls. So 109 is how many tens, boys and girls? Get ready. Yeah, 10 tens, what we have right here. But how many ones do we have now, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 9 ones. 10 tens and 9 ones is the same as what number, boys and girls? Get ready. 109. Very good. Let's continue. Ready? So let me just erase this so we won't get confused. Very good. Now, what if I added one more bead? How many tens would we have then? We're at 109. Remember that, boys and girls. But what if I add one more? How many tens do we have now? Do we still have 10 tens? Get ready. No, right? Let's count our tens and make sure that what we're thinking is correct. Ready? Let's count this 8-10 way. 110, 210, 310, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens, 11 tens. So now, how many tens would we have, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 11 tens. So right here, I would need to change this and write what number, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 11 tens. So it wouldn't be, it would be 11 tens. And how many ones, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 0 ones. And 11 tens and 0 ones is the same as what number, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 110. Very good. You guys are doing amazing. So now we're going to count and say this number the say 10 way. Are you ready? Remember, you're still not doing anything. You're looking and you're sitting tall. Okay, so let's count and say this number the say 10 way. Ready? Let's count. Count with me. Get ready. 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 8 tens, 9 tens. Do we have another 10? Get ready. No, right? So we only have how many tens, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 9 tens. And now let's count our ones. Ready? 9, 10, 1. Count with me. 9 tens, 2. 9 tens, 3. 9 tens, 4. 9 tens, 5. 9 tens, 6. And 9 tens, 7. So how many ones do we have? Get ready. Yes, 7 ones, boys and girls. So what do I write in my place value chart for the ones place? What number? Get ready. Yes, 7. And 9 tens and 7 ones is the same as what number the regular way? Get ready. Yes, 97. Awesome. You guys are doing great. Now, we're going to keep counting. Count the regular way as I add more beats. And we left off at 97, so look at right here and count out loud with me. The regular way. Ready? Get 97 going. 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 100. Oh, sorry. So that was our stop. 103. Very good, boys and girls. So now I need to erase my, oh, my eraser doesn't want to work. There we go. So I need to erase my chart and we're going to fill in the new chart with the new number. So we have 103, boys and girls. How many tens are in 103? How many tens? Get ready. Yes, 10 tens. And how many ones, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 3 ones. Awesome. Make sure that when you're answering, you're saying the unit with it. Don't just say, when I ask you how many tens, say 10 tens. Don't just say 10, okay? Say the unit along. Awesome. So we can practice our math terms. Let's continue. Now, let's count this number the say 10 way. Are you ready? Count with me. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. So how many tens, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 10 tens. So let's write that in my chart. And now let's count the ones. Ready? The say 10 way. 10 tens 1, 10 tens 2, 10 tens 3, 10 tens 4, 10 tens 5, 10 tens 6, 10 tens 7, 10 tens 8. How many ones, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 8 ones. Awesome. So how do we say this number, boys and girls, the regular way? Get ready. Yes, 108. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to continue to count. Are you ready? So count the regular way as I add more beats. So get 108 going. 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. So what number did we stop at, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 120. Very good. So now we're going to write 120 in our place value chart. 120. So how many tens do we have, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, remember, say the unit. 12 tens. So that's what we write in the place value chart. How many ones, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 0 ones. Very good. So this is how we would write it in the place value chart. Now it's your turn to practice. Are you ready? I know you're ready. Okay, let's practice. Go ahead and write down this in a blank piece of paper in your workbook. And so this is going to be problem 1. This is problem 2. And this is problem 3. Go ahead and pause the video at this time so that you can write everything down. And when you're ready to practice, press play. Awesome, let's start. Ready? So 10 tens and 9 ones. How would we write that the say 10 way, boys and girls? I mean, sorry, not the say 10 way, the regular way. How would we write 10 tens and 9 ones the regular way? Get ready. Yes, 109. Make sure you write it. This is how we would write it the regular way. Just like that. Okay, number 2. Now go ahead and you answer number 2 and 3, and then we'll check yourselves. Press pause at this time so that you can do them real quick. Okay, awesome. This one you should have done 2 and 3 on your own. Are you ready? How would we write 11 tens and 6 ones in the place value chart? What do I write in the tens place, boys and girls? What number? Get ready. Yes, 11, because we have 11 tens. What would I write in the ones place? Get ready. 6 ones, because we have 6 ones. Very good. Sorry about not being neat. You guys make sure to do quality work. Okay, so make sure you check yourself. Okay, make sure you have the right answer. Okay, let's go to number 3. 11 tens and 9 ones. How would we write that number the regular way? Get ready. Yes, you should have written and said 119, which we write just like this. Awesome, right? Easy enough. And I know you're going to think the problem set is so easy. So let's go ahead and open our books to the problem set right here on page 43. Make sure that you have it open to page 43. If not, pause the video at this time. Okay, once you're open to page 43, make sure that you write your name, date, and goal. So remember, just like we're in class, you need to have your heading. Name, date, and goal. So this is what your heading should look like. Go ahead and press pause if you need more time to write it. Awesome. So for number 1, remember, I do some examples with you, then you all do it on your own. So number 1, you have to write the number as tens and ones in the place value chart, or use the place value chart to write the numbers, just like we did when we practiced, boys and girls. So this should be easy. For example, A, 74. How many tens and how many ones does 74 have? Say it out loud. Get ready. Yes, you should have said 7 tens and 4 ones, and that's how you write it. How about B? 78. Oh, well, let's do a number that gives us a place value chart, like this one. C. Go ahead and go down to C. The place value chart gives us 9 tens and 1 ones. What number is this the regular way? For this one, what number is this the regular way? Get ready. Yes, 91, and that's what you would write on the line. Easy enough, right? Okay, I know you want to go ahead and do it on your own, but you'll have time for that right now. Let's go ahead and flip to the back so I can give you an example. Here, you're gonna match, boys and girls. So 9 tens, 7 1. This is the number in the place value chart, and you have to match it to one that matches the same way. 9 tens, 7 ones. Well, let's look. 10 tens, 5 ones. Does this match? Does this one match this one? Get ready. No. How about 10 tens, 7 ones? Does it match this one? Get ready. No. 9 tens, 7 ones. Does it match my place value chart? Get ready. Yes. So you would draw the line matching all the rest. Okay? And then last but not least, remember your exit ticket. You write your name, date, goal, and you're going to do what we did on the first page of the problem set. And then here it gives you the number. 10 tens, 2 ones is the number, and you write it the regular way. Okay? Make sure you take a picture of this and you submit it on the assignments tab. See you guys next week. Bye.